I think it's about that time to give y'all an honest review, okay? It's like I can't do no wrong. What's up, money loves? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this wig for you guys. It's a kinky curly wig that I've had for about 2 months now. So y'all, got my handy dandy notebook right here, and I took some notes that I wanted to let you girls know what was going on with this wig. So this wig is the 250 density kinky curly 18-inch 13x4 frontal wig from AliPearl. This wig is HD lace, and it goes from ear to ear about 4 inches back. The curls were a little bit different when I did receive it. It was really tight, almost like a coarser type of curl, but as time goes on, it's getting a little bit looser, just a little bit. If y'all can see, this is how the curls are now after washing it a few times. When I first received the wig did have like a slight chemical smell, but it came right out once I washed it the first time, and the water didn't turn colors. That's really important to know. If the water changes colors, then that means the hair has been through it all, been rolling and tumbling around in the dirt. That's why I always suggest for y'all to wash your wigs before installing. Very important. Now, when it comes to shedding, when I first got the wig, it didn't shed a lot. Now, it did shed a little bit. So, like, as I'm just ran my fingers against it, this is how much hair came out. And that's how much it was when I first got the wig too. Now, y'all, every time I detangle and wash my hair, I get about a palm size full of hair when I wash it. If you guys have checked out my wig restoration video, I did do this wig to give that tutorial. So if you guys want to go check that out, definitely go check it out. Well worth it. This hair does shed. That's why I'm so glad that I got the 250 density, because this wig is still gonna last a long time because of how much hair it is. Like, look how full it still is. And this is with mousse in it, y'all. This has product in it. So imagine how big and poofy it would be if I didn't have any product in it. So also, you guys, I did make this wig kind of glueless. This is not on my head. Bruh. This is not glued down. This is not sprayed down. This is not anything. However, I did mold it down to where when I want to just run out or do whatever, I could just plop it on and go. Now, for tangling, this hair does not tangle. For the first month, it didn't tangle, not one bit, I promise. It's kinky curly hair and it didn't tangle. Now that I've washed and worn the hair a few times, not gonna lie, the back, the nape of the wig, like back where my neck is and where it rubs against the fabric of my clothes, it does start to get a little bit tangled back there. I'm gonna show y'all. See how it clumps up like this, and see how the rest of the hair just falls apart? The back does clump up. However, all y'all need is a spray bottle with some water and some mousse, and the tangles just melt away. And just spray it, detangle it, just like you would with your natural hair. Unless you have a different method for your hair, I do suggest you doing whatever you do with your natural hair. But if I'm gonna wear this wig, I'm gonna detangle it. If I want to style it a certain way, I'm gonna detangle it. Other than that, I just take it on and off, y'all. On and off. If I'm going out of town or if I'm going out, then you know, you gotta add a little adhesive. But other than that, most of your wigs you could just bloop. Now, I do suggest, if you're going to get this wig in particular and you want it to last a long time, up to a year and over, definitely get the 250 density. It's so worth it. Get the highest density in curly hair, because curly hair in general is just going to shed. Now, as I stated before, this is HD lace, and I didn't have to put a lot of makeup on it, but that's just me. But this is the lace. I don't know how it's coming up on camera. You probably can see it right now. No product on it. No product at all. So imagine putting makeup on it. It just looks like scalp. A lot of people, honestly, still think it's my hair, but don't tell nobody. So this wig, what I'm really concerned about is the lace along the hairline, because like I said, when I wash it or detangle it, I do get some shedding. And if you guys have seen my refresh video on Instagram, you guys follow me on Instagram. If you saw my refresh video, it does start to lift after a few days, so I have to refresh the wigs during the week. And this wig does not need baby hair, y'all. I just put baby hair because it helps blend the lace, and you can't really detect it with baby hair or edges or whatever y'all want to call it, whatever. We ain't gonna get into the baby hair topic because we know how that can go. If I'm gluing this down, I don't do baby hair. That's how good this lace and this hair is. And the strands, the knots were single knotted. So if you guys don't know the difference, single knot strands are almost invisible to where you could just see a little dot. If it's a double knotted, you can literally see it from far away. Y'all can't see that it's knots on my hair from this distance, but close up you can. But further away, you can see double, triple, quadruple knots. So single knots is good. However, that makes the wig a little bit more fragile. So I would not suggest wearing this hair on a consistent basis. Maybe a couple of days, or just throw it up in a ponytail or style it and leave it in that style. I wouldn't suggest messing with it every single day because it's going to shed. Bless her heart, because she's beautiful and we can't keep her forever. That's the sad part. I personally do wear my wigs consistently, and this wig does stretch to 18 inches. See, look at the shrinkage. The shrinkage is real, but I like to keep it up and tight just to avoid tangling. Basically, those hairstyles I showed on the short I have on my channel, go check out that short. Those are the only hairstyles I do with this wig. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how simple and easy it is to get these tangles out, because I don't want the girlies to get mad and try to say that that's not true, because we know how that can get too, okay? Alright, I got my spray bottle right here, just water. I have my mousse. Y'all know Tresemme is that brand that I go to almost every single time. Even when I first started my wig journey, Tresemme. Now this is some new mousse that I picked up, and it's doing really well with this hair. It makes it really shiny, and it keeps the curls from tangling and grouping together, at least on the top. And I also have this gel by Maui. I got it from CVS. It was on clearance for $3. Yes ma'am. I'm going to take a piece from back here because the rest of the hair isn't tangled. So look at that. Not tangled. Oh Lord. Look at that. Let's hide that. And I need my wide tooth comb. Be back. Need a wide tooth comb. So I'm not going to detangle it dry. If y'all prefer the detangle dry, definitely do that. But I don't. Just going to squeeze. I would finger detangle, but I have these 3D prints on my nails and it snags onto the hair, so handy dandy wide tooth comb. So you start from the ends. Look at that. Now if y'all just want to do water and go, then you definitely can, because it's already detangled. It's detangled. Simple, just water. But because I don't want it to tangle up during the week, I'm going to take this mousse. Sugar. Get a good amount. Use the product. You bought it to use it. Use the product. This is how much I've taken on this little section, and I'm going to coat the hair. I'm going to take the finger that doesn't have the gems on it and my thumb, and I'm going to rake through the curls. Look at that. And to get a little bit of a hard cast on it, I'm going to use this gel. You can stop at the mousse if you want your hair to be lightweight, but that's not what I'm going for. So use your products however you want to style it. And it's almost like the shingling method. So I just keep doing this until they break apart and just fall. So that is this section, all detangled, and I'm just gonna do the rest of the back, and then I'm gonna come right back. See, y'all came here and watched this video and y'all learned something more than what the title was reading. I'm your go-to girl, okay? When it comes to wigs, subscribe. Subscribe. Promise y'all gonna learn something in every video that I post. Definitely check out my description box to check out the hair. If this wasn't one of my favorite wigs, I probably would sell it or give it to you guys, but she's mine. She's mine, okay? That is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any more questions, definitely comment and I will be sure to answer them. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I love you guys and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.